Let's talk about letter tiles. Letter tiles are used in every new concept lesson to help your student quickly and easily grasp new concepts. In this video, we're going to do 3 things. 1, I'll help you decide between the Letter Tiles app and the physical letter tiles. 2, I'll show you how to set up the physical letter tiles. And 3, I'll answer any questions you may have about the letter tiles. Let's dig in. You have the option of using either the Letter Tiles app or the physical letter tiles. So how do you decide which one to use? First, let's consider the benefits of using the Letter Tiles app. With the Letter Tiles app, it's easy to capitalize words. You can hear the sounds of the phonograms as you teach. You'll have no more worries about lost letter tiles. Lessons are easy to teach on the go. And finally, the app makes it easy to switch between students. Simply select the current lesson in All About Reading or All About Spelling, and you're ready to begin. The Letter Tiles app has been our most requested product of all time, but the physical letter tiles have many devoted fans as well. Here are some benefits of using the physical letter tiles. With the physical tiles, no tablet is required to complete the lesson. The large tiles are easy to read. It's easy to incorporate hands-on alphabetizing practice. And of course, the letter tiles are a timeless and traditional educational tool. Still can't decide which tool to use? Ask yourself these questions. Which one would be most engaging for your student based on his current preferences? For example, does your student prefer colored pencils or does she like video games? Is your student used to using technology for learning or is he more comfortable with traditional methods of learning? Does she prefer ebooks or paper books? And don't forget to consider your preferences as well. Do you like the larger format of the magnetic whiteboard and the physical tiles? Or do you like the more compact nature of the app? Honestly, you really can't go wrong with either the app or the physical letter tiles since they both make reading concepts more concrete for your student. Choose one or both methods for working with letter tiles. Now let's get you ready to use your letter tiles. If you choose the Letter Tiles app, start by visiting the URL on the screen to purchase the app for your tablet. If you choose the physical letter tiles, follow these steps to prepare your tiles. Take out the laminated letter tile sheets. Separate the letter tiles and labels along the perforations. Apply the magnets to the back of the letter tiles. Stick 1 magnet on the back of each letter tile and 2 magnets on the back of each label. If you will be using the letter tiles on a tabletop instead of a magnetic whiteboard, you can skip this step. Now let's set up your letter tiles. First, let's set aside some letter tiles that will be used in the first lesson. If you've already used level 3, you already have these tiles on your magnetic whiteboard. If not, you will need these tiles. 2 sets of letters A to Z, third E, third S, hyphen and apostrophe, the consonant teams label and these consonant teams, the vowel teams label and these vowel teams, the sound of label and the ER, IR, UR, and purple OR tiles, the sound of label and the TI tile, the other tiles label and the AR, ED, and OR tiles, the prefixes label and these prefixes, the consonant suffixes label and these consonant suffixes, the vowel suffixes label and these vowel suffixes. Now pause the video and place these tiles on your whiteboard. Next, label a small baggie level 4. You'll need to place these tiles in the baggie. These consonant teams, these vowel teams, the OUR, EAR, SI, and CI tiles, and these suffix tiles. Go ahead and pause the video again and place these tiles in the level 4 baggie. After you're done, click play to complete your setup. Is your level 4 baggie filled? Great! Store the baggie in your All About Reading tote bag or another safe place for future lessons. The last thing to prep is your syllable tags. Take out the laminated syllable tag sheet and separate the syllable tags on the perforations. Apply the magnets to the back of the syllable tags. Stick 2 magnets on the back of each one. Now store the syllable tags on your magnetic whiteboard for use in future lessons. Here are answers to questions you may have about letter tiles. What do the different colors mean? Here's a guide. Blue tiles are for consonants and consonant teams. Red tiles are vowels and vowel teams. Purple tiles are for the sound of Yellow tiles are for bossy R combinations that don't say Green tiles are for alternate spellings of sh, ti, ci, si. Orange tiles are for miscellaneous symbols and letters. Don't worry if these don't make sense to you. You'll learn more about each category when you get to it in the lessons. Why are there two different Ys? Y can be a consonant or a vowel, depending on the word. When it is a consonant, it says y. When it is a vowel, it can say I, or e. Why are Q and U together on a tile? Since Q is always followed by a U in English words, they are placed together on a single tile. What will happen with the other letter tiles that are left in my baggie? Keep the baggie in a safe place, such as your reading tote bag, until the tiles are needed in later lessons. What if I don't have a magnetic whiteboard? A magnetic whiteboard makes it easier and faster to set up for your reading lessons. But if you don't have a magnetic whiteboard, you can set up the letter tiles right on your table. What do all these funny marks and symbols mean? As a shorthand way to represent the sounds of letters in this teacher's manual, we use slashes. For example, this stands for the spoken sound as in monkey. You will also see two other sound symbols. A straight line above the letter, like this, represents the long vowel sound. This symbol is called a macron. A smile above the letter represents the short vowel sound. This symbol is called a breve. I think you're going to love the way letter tiles make learning to read so easy for your student. As always, contact us if you have any questions. We're here to help. Thanks for watching. Like this video if it brought you any value, and don't forget to subscribe for more great videos. Happy reading!